In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to change the window wiper blades in your Ford Bronco Sport. You're going to need a 24-inch and a 21-inch. I like these Rain-X blades, and I'll put a link in the description down below. You can click on it, it'll take you right to Amazon, and have these show up at your doorstep in just 1 to 2 days. So let's go ahead and get them changed out. So the first thing we need to do, I like to get them in a different position so we can change them. The passenger side one is okay to change like this, but the driver's side one, we're going to need to move it to change it. You can't really lift up the arm because it's going to hit the underside of the hood. So to get the wiper in a different position, just get in the car. You're going to hit the start-stop button 1 time. Do not push on the brake. And then you can move your wiper arm. And then what we're going to do is shut it off when we get the wiper in position. So as soon as the wiper gets in position, all you do is hit the start-stop button to stop the wiper. So now the driver's side wiper is stopped, so it's really close to the edge of the vehicle and you don't have to reach so far over. Now in order to remove the wiper blade from the arm, we're going to concentrate on that little square button right there. Now have yourself a paper towel or a rag handy, because when we slide out this wiper blade, the arm is going to touch the glass and I don't want to scratch the glass. This is why we position the arm the way we did, because it's really close and easy to get to. See the little square tab? You're just going to push it down with your fingernail and slide the wiper arm out. I'm just going to lay the arm on top of the roof, and then I'm just going to put a rag underneath so it doesn't scratch. The driver's side takes the 24-inch blade, and when you take it out of the package, it's going to have a cover on it like this. These are like adapters that you can take on and off. So you're going to take your fingernail, peel this back, and slide that piece off. Now we're going to take our new wiper arm, and we're going to slide it in like this. And this piece here is going to go on top of here now, where before it went to the inside. All depends on what wiper arm you get, but I really like these high quality Rain-X blades. So we're just going to push. You hear how it just clicked into place? Give it a little tug. So now whenever you want to remove this style, you just get your fingernail underneath this tab and it will slide right off. So here's putting it on again. Once again, you'll hear it click into place. Now just lift up and we're going to slide off the protective cover. Now before we even start the passenger side, let's go ahead and peel off this cover. Just lift up and slide it off so it looks like this. I just put the passenger wiper blade at a little more of an up angle. Push in on the tab, slide this out. Put a rag underneath so it doesn't scratch. And just lift up a little bit, slide out that protective cover. Now I'm just going to start the vehicle, let the wipers run here just a little bit. Make sure that there's no weird noises. Go ahead and shut them off. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now congratulate yourself on doing this all on your own. You didn't have to take it to a dealership. And you didn't go to one of them quickie oil change places where they like to push wiper blade changes on you. They're also starting to do it at tire change places. If you go to Discount Tire, they also like to push window wiper blades. They're going to charge you twice as much for a lower quality blade. Hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step video, and thanks for watching.